It's really yum. I love you, Cadbury. Well, do you know Cadbury did sales of 12,746 crore last year in 2024 with rupees 2020 crore profits. Crazy, right? Well, Cadbury entered in the Indian market in 1948. Wow! And quickly it became the mithai of India.
Cadbury, one of Britain's most iconic chocolate makers.
Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk has released a new TVC.
Cadbury says you can still bag a bargain. Dairy milk. We all know what a dairy milk looks like.
A chocolate that every kid wants and that every adult craves for and every festival needs it. Yes, I'm talking about that chocolate that is more than just mere chocolate, but it's a symbol of love, joy and togetherness. Whether it's Diwali or Rakhi.
मैसेज पे मुंह मीठा नहीं होता। कैडबरी सेलिब्रेशंस, कुछ अच्छा हो जाए, कुछ मीठा हो जाए। इस राखी कुछ अच्छा हो जाए, कुछ मीठा हो जाए। कैडबरी सेलिब्रेशंस।
You need to have a Cadbury box in your hands. Otherwise, or you're dead. Familiar, right? Cadbury, a chocolate that shows I care about you. Positioned itself like that. But was it forever? In 2003, something happened that took away all the sweetness from Cadbury Dairy Milk. The chocolate that was loved by every citizen of India suddenly became the chocolate that nobody wanted to even touch. A month before Diwali, a customer complained about finding worms in Cadbury Dairy Milk bars in Maharashtra. Cadbury was all over the news. It was all chaos. Finding headlines exploded. Parents panicked for their children and retailers pulled the stocks from the shelves. The sweet image of Cadbury was turned into betrayal in just one night. Not only the trust of people fall from Cadbury chocolate, but also the sheer declines in an insane level. The news was aired all over India.
Worm was found in a Cadbury chocolate bar bought in Hyderabad.
He found fungus in a Cadbury Dairy Milk chocolate.
कैडबरी चॉकलेट में एक रेंगने वाला कीड़ा पाया गया।
Cadbury's value share in the chocolate market dropped from 73% in October 2003 to 69% by January 2004. Not only this, in Pune, the retail took off the Cadbury's products, especially dairy milk, decreased by 40 to 50% after the confirmation of infection by Maharashtra Food and Drug Administration. By the year ending in December 2003, Cadbury's net profit fall by 37% to 45 crores compared to last year, which was 21% increase in the previous year. People started feeling betrayed by the brand in India. While food is the source of nourishment and prasad, people were shattered. And this betrayal and heartbreaks caused Cadbury a massive trust issue that had built over the years. It was more than emotional damage than a logical facts. Now, Cadbury had two options: to pack up from India or do a crazy comeback. And that's what it did. After 2003 worm infection crisis, Cadbury executed three-way strategy. Number one, product. Cadbury invested approximately 15 CR in advanced machinery to introduce double layer packaging for dairy milk chocolate. They invested to enhance the packaging and product standards by adding inert aluminum foil and heat sealed dairy milk for extra protection. Cadbury gave trust to the public with the safety and hygienic measures. Now this gave people a relief towards the chocolate and its safety measures. Number two, public relation. A campaign was launched in October 2003 by Cadbury named Project Vishwas. It was an educational initiative campaign covering 190,000 retailers in the key states.
But the smaller stores still suffer.
This lockdown has been a real tough phase of my life. I mean, I have seen bad days, but this was the worst.
Last year we helped small businesses through Diwali. So this year we decided to bring it back. Presenting not just a Cadbury ad.
It was launched to educate the retailers about the proper storage and practices to prevent future infections. Quote from ET: As part of this exercise, the company is reducing the bulk packaging from 60 bars to 22 bars. Each bulk package will be shrink wrapped and minimize the sale of loose packs. In this campaign, Cadbury conducted factory tours for media personnel showcasing the good quality measures. And number 3 was celebrity endorsement. Now, here Cadbury did something that nobody thought of. Cadbury bought well-known face of Mr. Amitabh Bachchan to build the trust back in the public. They appointed Mr. Amitabh Bachchan as the brand ambassador in January 2004 with this ad.
तो जवाब में वो मुझे अपनी फैक्ट्री ले गए और मुझे अपनी इंटरनेशनल टेक्नोलॉजी, अपने कड़े क्वालिटी कंट्रोल्स और डबल प्रोटेक्शन पैकेजिंग दिखाई। आजकल मैं बड़ी चैन की नींद सो रहा हूँ।
Here Amitabh Bachchan eating dairy milk and ending the ad with आजकल मैं भी चैन की नींद सो रहा हूँ. And this gave people the credibility and emotional appeal towards Cadbury, reassuring the consumer about the product quality. But things didn't end here, my friend. Cadbury's master stroke was the campaign launched in 2004. कुछ मीठा हो जाए.
कैडबरी डेयरी मिल्क, कुछ अच्छा हो जाए, कुछ मीठा हो जाए.
कैडबरी डेयरी मिल्क, कुछ अच्छा हो जाए, कुछ मीठा हो जाए.
कैडबरी डेयरी मिल्क, कुछ अच्छा हो जाए, कुछ मीठा हो जाए.
Now this campaign changed the whole game for Cadbury. The brand connected to the audience on the emotional and cultural level. Instead of focusing on logical side, they showcased the love and emotion behind the eating of dairy milk. The marketing strategy included TV commercial, digital marketing, and on-ground activities. And the big idea to launch this campaign was to launch it during the festive season to maximize the impact. Kuch Meeta Ho Jaye campaign resonated deeply with Indians, positioning Cadbury Dairy Milk as a part of celebration itself, that the celebration or the dessert is incomplete without a bite of Cadbury Dairy Milk. And it worked. By the May 2004, Cadbury's market value share increased to 71%. The strategy worked with the face of Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. Cadbury again gained the trust and confidence from its audience. Cadbury not only gained the previous market position but also strengthened its brand equity and a commitment to quality. So it's clear, Cadbury didn't just leave the battle but bought back and came back even stronger. Now here are 3 quick takeaways if you are building a brand. Number 1 is emotional branding over anything. If you want to connect with your target audience, emotional branding is the way to do it. Campaigns like Kuch Meeta Ho Jaye change the whole perspective of people towards Cadbury. Reason? Cadbury connected emotionally with emotion-driven humans. So instead of focusing on the product, focus on emotions that can make your audience feel. Number 2 is strategic collaboration. When Cadbury knew things won't change until someone credible comes and talks on their behalf, they bought Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. This celebrity endorsement brought back the trust and credibility. At times, you may need to bring trust and increase reach. Strategic collaboration is the way to do it. It helps you reach higher audience and build trust that you may take years to build otherwise. Number 3 is narrative control. When the worm infection happened, Cadbury just didn't stay silent. In the same month of October, they launched the campaign Project Vishwas. Now here Cadbury took the narration and communication in their hand. Never take it easy. Have a clear communication and clear message of your brand with your audience to avoid any misunderstanding. These were the quick marketing lessons that can help your marketing to reach to next level. In the end, if you are starting a business, have a business or have an idea about business but stuck in marketing, then you can book a call with me where we can discuss and go deeper into building a winning marketing strategy for your business. Just click the first link in the description and you will see some open slots and you can book your call. And in the end, just give a comment about what you think about this video. Even if you don't like it, it will just help us to improve the videos from the next one. So thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.